But first tonight at 6, a warning for Wisconsinites who own timeshares. The Better Business Bureau says it's seeing more and more companies pop up offering to help people get rid of their timeshares for a small fee.
And there are questions about whether those pitches are legitimate. One investigation into a Wisconsin-based company is already underway. News 3 investigative reporter Adam Schrager joins us now. Adam.
Eric and Michelle, it was one of our Call for Action volunteers who spurred the BBB to actually start looking into this. She had received numerous calls at home from a group claiming to be a nonprofit that could help her save money on her timeshare maintenance fees. They asked her to dinner here in Madison, and a colleague of ours took some video that night of the sales pitch that she received. We're not showing it now, nor identifying that company that targeted our volunteer until we can answer some questions about exactly who they are and what exactly they're doing. However, the BBB says this type of solicitation is happening enough and it's worrisome enough to make people aware. Our Call for Action volunteer was invited to a restaurant near Madison's Easttown Mall. Shortly after the appetizers arrived, so too did the pitch. He could get her access to luxury around the world for roughly $5,000 and the equity to her current timeshare.
So now your timeshare, while it's gone down in value, your fees have gone up, and now people just want to get out. They just want to get rid of it.
Kimberly Hazen runs Southwest Wisconsin's Better Business Bureau. She says promises of paradise look good when the economy's declining and the timeshare maintenance costs are rising.
I think the message is that really be skeptical.
Our volunteer was told all this could be hers, and she could dump her current timeshare obligation as well, but she needed to write the check by the time dessert was complete. Hazen says that's a clear warning sign.
Be careful of spending money up front to sell something. It's the same reason we want to be skeptical if we want to pay money. Somebody wants us to pay money if we've won something. Well, if you've truly won something, if you're truly selling something, you shouldn't have to pay up front.
After all, paradise lost is most often found in literature.
We've said it forever. If it sounds too good to be true, you really need to do your homework.
So here are some tips if you get a call like this. The first thing, take detailed notes. Our volunteer took 6 pages worth of single-spaced notes. It's helping the BBB with its investigation. You're encouraged to ask about licensing. Realtors, businesses, they're all licensed here in Wisconsin. If someone can't give that information to you, it's a warning sign. Finally, if your contact only has a cell phone and a P.O. box, be even more skeptical.
Oh boy, it really is kind of overwhelming though for the average person, don't you think? I mean, all this stuff coming in.
A lot of stuff to keep track of there.
Yeah. Adam, thanks so much.
Thank you.